Hi, you're welcome. Today I want to share things that Kenyans should know about Uganda. We have kingdoms in Uganda. I do not know how many there are, but I know that some kingdoms are more popular than other kingdoms. And each kingdom has a king with a title given to him. The most popular kingdom is the Uganda kingdom. And the title that is given to their king is Kabaka. Kabaka is just a direct translation of king in the Uganda language. There are other kingdoms like the Busoga kingdom, and the title given to their king is Chabazinga. Then there are other kingdoms like Toro kingdom, Bunyoro kingdom. Then there is the kingdom of the Iteso, and the title given to their king is Emorimori. These kings have their own queens and they have their own palaces. They are very highly respected people and they are not expected to take part in politics. This next one will be a shock to Kenyans. There is very few Ugandans who speak Swahili fluently. In fact, we grew up thinking that Swahili is spoken by people in the army. But Ugandans enjoy Swahili songs from Tanzania and from here in Kenya, though some of them don't even understand the lyrics in the songs. And I also remember when I was growing up, I used to watch Swahili shows like Makutano Junction, Tahidi High, though I didn't understand what they were saying. We have over 50 tribes in Uganda, and what I discovered here in Kenya is that we share some tribes. For example, there is Teso here, and we have Teso back in Uganda. We also have Luo, and Kenyans also have Luo. The only difference is that in Kenya, Luo is a tribe. However, in Uganda, Luo is just a group of different tribes. So if I mention Luo in Uganda, it's not just one tribe, but it's different tribes. And then the Kenyans have Kalenjins. In Uganda, the equivalent is the Sabines. There are also tribes here in Kenya that share names with Ugandans. For example, in the Luya tribe, names like Wekesa, Nekesa, Nafula, Wafula are all Ugandan names. There are also similarities between Swahili and Luganda because both of these are Bantu languages. For example, in Swahili, a month is mwezi, and in Luganda, a month is omwezi. And in Swahili, a year is mwaka, and in Luganda is omwaka. Water is maji. In Luganda is amazi. And in Swahili, an umbrella is mwavuli. And in Luganda, an umbrella is manvuli. There is a variety of food in Uganda, and this is because almost 80% of the land in Uganda is arable land. Matoke is more popular. Ugandans can't do without matoke. Everywhere you have to have a meal of matoke. However, matoke is popular in the Bantu community. If you go to other communities, matoke may not be as popular as it is in the Bantu community. Other communities have their own staple food. For example, millet bread is a staple food for the people in the north and some tribes in the east. And then Ugandans love soup in their food. And speaking about food, Ugandans eat nsenene. Nsenene are grasshoppers. It's a delicacy in Uganda. You can have it as a snack. It's very yummy. I would recommend any Kenyans in Uganda to try it out. There's a big population of Kenyans in Uganda. Some of them are students, some of them are married there, then some of them are working from there, and some of them are just visitors. For example, for my case, I studied with Kenyans in my primary level, then I had some in my secondary level, and then I also studied with Kenyans at the university. Ugandans feel more closer to Kenyans than any other people from East Africa. There's a higher percentage that Ugandans might be knowing a thing or two about Kenya. However, this may not be true about other East African countries. Even a Ugandan who has never come to Kenya at least knows the capital city of Kenya. They know the president of Kenya. They know some cities in Kenya. They know some tribes in Kenya. So Kenya is popular among the Ugandans. Ugandans are very welcoming people. They are hospitable. And when you come as a foreigner, Ugandans won't feel like they are threatened. They won't feel like you're not part of us. They would want to establish a friendship with you. They'll look at you as a brother or a sister. And especially Kenyans, when you come to Uganda, we won't even look at you as a Kenyan. You will immediately become our brother or sister. And then Ugandans party a lot. They party 24/7. It doesn't matter what time of the day it is. It doesn't matter whether it's a Monday morning. It does not matter. There's entertainment 24/7. No wonder Uganda is known as the party city of Africa. Anytime is party time in Uganda. All in all, I feel like Ugandans and Kenyans are the same people. There is no difference between us. I know that some people online, some YouTube channels make us feel like we are different from one another, but we are the same. Some even try to say Kenyan men are like this, Ugandan men are like this, Ugandan women are different from Kenyan women, but we are all the same people. There's no difference. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please tell me what you think about Uganda as a Kenyan. Kwaheri.